Hi, Dr. Finn here. Okay, this is another segment of the refrigerator repair and recharge. Basically, I have inserted access valve, cut open the pipe. I'm gonna brace it in now, and this is what it looks like. So I have my torch here. My stick of solder. That took a little bit more than I expected. So there you go. It took a little bit more gas than I expected. I guess I was holding it in the wrong direction, I think. Anyhow, I wasn't giving it enough gas, so it took a rather longer time. Anyhow, it's brazed in now, and this is how it looks. Yep, so it's brazed in. I just gotta let it cool. Then I'm gonna attach my gauge here. Pretty hot. Attach my gauge, and I'm gonna put the charge in. So that's the next video. That should be our final segment. We're gonna do some tests. Oh, and before I go, this is what the relay actually looks like. So right here you have your relay, and that's right here, and this is the electronic type. This is not the mechanical type that actually has a coil. So this is a electronic. It's more of a sort of transistor type, but it works, it does the same thing as an actual relay. And this is your terminal overload again. So our next segment should be our final. So we'll see you then when we charge the system up.